All right, we're working on the 1977 Ford F-250 Custom. Today I cleaned up behind the seat and the interior floors, got it nice and swept out. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the door panels, if we're going to get new ones or not. And then the original battery was dead when I got here, so I just put this in, but I don't plan on using it for starting the truck. It's a little small, but I wanted to try and see if I could get this light going. And I put a new bulb in it, but nothing happened. I checked it with the test flight. I had ground and I had a positive coming out in here, both. This is I think it's called a dual polarity test light. Anyway, it lights red when it's positive and it lights green for ground. So use that to keep things charged when I'm working. And then I got to come back and do a little paint here, but that's okay. Pretty cold today. It's I shut the heat off a couple hours ago and it's like 32 in here. So painting ain't happening today, I'm pretty sure. That's the battery that came out. It looks like it's from 2007 when we purchased it. April of 2007. But oh yeah, 417 make it. Okay. Napa Legend, as far as I'm concerned, it's one of the better batteries they make. Anyway, so I guess that's about it for today. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.